I might do the server building stream. I might just have to think. I just have to solve some logistical problems. But like, I was thinking about it more, and I was like, I might as well because, you know, at the end of the day, I'm supposed to produce content, right? And that is content, you know. Because sometimes I like to pretend that like my job is writing code, and then I occasionally have to stream, despite it being the other way around. But I like to pretend, you know.
You don't understand how content works. Server building stream is hype.
That's what I've heard.
Can you teach me how to build a server if you do a server building stream?
You're gonna teach me, I think, is probably more accurate. Anyway, I'm not, no promises, right? Just saying that's where I'm at currently. So I guess I will stream a little bit more.
100% honesty. I'm placing my bets on 7 streams a week for the next month.
Not 7 streams a week. Maybe not that. But yeah. Anyway, I guess we'll still end here for today. I will catch you guys when? Not tomorrow. But like probably like Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. I guess whenever we end up scheduling the VR stream, probably. I don't know.